If you don't understand something, then ask your instructor. Chances are you are not the only one who doesn't understand. When other students ask questions, make sure you listen to both the question and the answer. It may be that the student asking the question thought of something that you didn't think of.
After each class, you should review your notes. Note the topics that you found confusing and formulate questions that you can ask your instructor or tutor to help you understand the topic. It is often helpful to study in groups. People often look at things differently. So someone else may see how to solve a problem that you can't do. Or understand the topic that you find confusing.